If you are a student or a researcher, you know how crucial it is to find the research gap, that unanswered question, that unexplored area, and identifying this gap is the first step in starting any meaningful research project. Traditionally, finding research gap means spending days and weeks searching relevant literature, reading them, and finding limitations or the scope for future research. But now, AI has completely revolutionized the research. There are various AI tools that can help you in writing literature review, a research paper, manage citations, proofread, and grammar, and much more that I have covered in my different videos. If you are interested, do check out my playlist on AI tools. I'm sure it will help you. Today, I will share with you some very useful AI tools that can help you in finding the limitations or research gap in the current literature so that you can identify and frame a research question for yourself. The first tool is Coral AI. After signing in, you simply have to upload a research paper or a review paper that is highly relevant to your interest. Once the paper is uploaded, you can use chat option to ask limitations of the study. The paper I have uploaded is about transcriptome profiling to understand growth mechanism in bamboo. These are some of the limitations of the paper. For example, a reference genome for this species is not available, which limits precise read mapping and assembly. Only a few developmental stages were considered in this study. Other environmental factors that might influence growth have not been investigated. Then there are several differentially expressed genes with unknown function that can be further validated. You can go through them and find something that is of your interest. Similarly, you can ask what are the research gaps in this paper, and it may provide some additional suggestions that can be very helpful. For example, how dormancy is regulated in bamboo, need for more comparative studies within same environment, functional characterization of transcripts with unknown functions, and epigenetic regulation of bamboo growth is also an unexplored area. This tool also provides future direction for research. You may get some new suggestions like cytology study during different growth phases to understand cell division and expansion. You can use all the three responses, the limitations, gaps, and future directions, and frame a suitable research question. Alternately, you can use another helpful tool, Avidnote, to upload a research article and find limitations in the research gap. Here I have uploaded the same paper on the bamboo growth and asked it to provide the limitations of the paper. Now it has provided some different suggestions like the bamboo transcriptome is annotated based on different species which overlooks unique genetic elements and pathways specific for this bamboo species. Limited sample diversity and only few developmental stages were studied. You can see we have found some different yet very useful suggestions that can also be considered. Similarly, you can ask it to identify the research gaps. I found each method in AI to provide some common and some unique suggestions that can be considered for identifying topic for your future research. Avidnote is a popular tool that offers various additional features for summarizing research articles, analyzing data, writing research papers and theses, which is covered in another video. Another very popular tool among researchers is Scispace. The interesting thing about this tool is that you can upload multiple papers to extract summaries and useful information from all of them at once. Here I have uploaded 5 research papers related to the bamboo growth to find the limitations and the research gaps. All the papers are listed in a table. You can customize the columns to include limitations, research gap, summaries, and others to compare all of them at once. Thus, you need not upload an individual paper to find limitations. Rather, you can upload multiple papers on a particular topic and come up with your own research topic. In order to be sure, just carry out a thorough literature search on Google Scholar or PubMed to find if there is any existing research paper related to it. Use your own critical thinking and verify the resources before finalizing the topic. Scispace also provides you features like literature review, AI writer to assist you in academic writing, paraphraser, citation generator, and a lot others. You can check out my detailed video tutorial if you are interested to learn more about it. To learn how to do literature review critically without using AI, you can check out this video. I have shared some very powerful tips that will immensely help you in finding research gap and identifying research questions. So that's it for today. I hope this helps you in your research journey. If you find this useful, please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what research challenges you are facing.